Now, children, today let's start with unit number 4, literature and manual ability. So, let's start with chapter number 36, that is types of books. What are books? They are used for various purpose. Every book has specific title. जिसके पर्पस को एक इवेंट होता है, पर्टिकुलर इवेंट को बता. So, a book containing maps. You have to mark here. The book that contains map is atlas. A book of making daily notes. So, book होती है जिससे आप daily notes बनाते हैं. A book containing name, address, and telephone address. A book containing words and their meaning. An yearly calendar of the months, days, this is your almanac. A book telling a long story, that is novel. A book to keep records like births and deaths, that is register. A book of keeping stamps, that is alva. Let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 37, abbreviation. First is FIR, that is first. Information report. SHO, Station House Officer. CBI, that is Central Bureau of Investigation. All India Radio. Then we have MO, that is Money Order. RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. NCRT, that is National Council. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. UNO, that is United Nation Organization. That is GPO. Journal Post Office. Then we have PRO, that is Public Relation Officer. Then we have STD, that is Subscriber. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is analogies. MLA is to the state assembly, so MP is to the parliament. Srinagar is to Kashmir and Simla is to Himachal Pradesh. Telugu is to Andhra Pradesh and Malayalam is to Kerala. Brahmo Samaj is to Rajaram Mohan Roy and Arya Samaj is to Dayanand Saraswati. Guru Nanak is to Sikhism and Gautam Buddha is to Buddhism. Agra is to Yamuna and Lucknow is to Bagla Nagra Dam is to Punjab and Hirakund Dam. Haram Haram has to Nehru Ji and Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Mahatma Gandhi is to India and your Nelson Mandela is to Africa. Himalayas to the Asia, Andes to the Thar is to India and Sahara is to your South America. National anthem is to Tagore, national song is to Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now let's move to the next chapter. Signs and symbols. Let's match them. Your F1, danger, is B1, horn prohibited, C1, stop, E1, no parking, A1, no motographs, diesel. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is be a card holder, chapter number 40. It's an official document issued at the time of your birth. Identify by you by your name, gender, place of birth, date of birth, and name of your. It is your birth certificate. दिस इज पेन कार्ड. इसमें दोनों होते हैं, अल्फाबेट्स भी होते हैं, नंबर्स भी होते हैं. इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट इसको इशू करता है. देन द कार्ड इज इशू बाय इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. इट बी एटलीस्ट एज ऑफ 18. ये आपका क्या है? वोटिंग कार्ड. Document that allows you to drive two-wheeler or a car, that is driving license. This is 12-digit identification number issued by a UDI, that is your Aadhaar card. If you want to travel to another country, you need passport. Which document helps a voter to cast his vote? That is voter ID card. PAN card is issued by the income tax. What does PAN stands for? That is permanent. Account number. You can travel to neighboring countries in India without a passport. One of is Nepal, and another is China. Which card is issued by the UDI? That is Aadhaar card. Which document of the above document would you associate the word visa with? The passport. Which of the above card help your father to pay his income tax? If you want to drive two-wheeler, आपको क्या चाहिए? Driving license. मेरे क्या? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is Indian passport. So, a passport is an official document जो आपके citizen को particular country से identify करता है to enter or leave country. This is why my passport looks like. So let's study the detail. You write the name, your father's name, place of birth, your permanent address, present address or full name. Right? Next is 42. That is, let's know more. So the script that is used in China and Japan, they are very interesting, but they are difficult. Interesting है उसके साथ साथ बहुत difficult भी है, and the children have to know the 10 to 12,000 pictures word to read the symbol. A period of 1,000 year is called millennium, and the period of 100 year a decade, and a period of 100 year को century बोलते हैं, 10 year को decade. Best quality of dust-free petrol is called white oil radiation. Atomic energy is produced to produce uranium and thorium. इससे हम एटम बॉम्ब्स हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब बनाते हैं. सेल्सियस एंड दी स्वीडिश साइंटिस्ट, इन्होंने आपका सेल्सियस और सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचर बनाया है. DDT दैट इज डाइक्लोडेनेफिल, ये किसने डिस्कवर करी थी? दैट इज पॉल मुलर ऑफ जर्मनी. लेवरिन ऑफ फ्रांस डिस्कवर्ड मलेरिया जर्म्स इन 1880. राइट. फर्स्ट ट्रांसप्लांट सर्जरी जो थी वो आपकी क्रिस्टीनिया बर्नार्ड की हुई थी साउथ अफ्रीका में. नेक्स्ट इज द इंडस्ट्रियल एडवांस कंट्रीज आर कॉल्ड डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज. यहाँ पे जो इकोनॉमिकली लेस एडवांस कंट्रीज फॉर्म किया जाता है डेवलपिंग. राइट. हिंदी इज रिटन इन देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट, और जो आपकी इंग्लिश है वो कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट में लिखी जाती है? रोमनी. राइट. That's all for today. Now our unit has been completed. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.